Hello everyone, another Monday is in the book. Meteorologist Mr. G here with you guys to talk about that upcoming Tuesday weather forecast. And that big chill is on, folks, and we're going to be seeing a lot of snow across the northern tier of the country, so through the Midwest and the northern plains and the Great Lakes. So from portions of the Dakotas, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, Indiana, and portions of Michigan as well is going to be dealing with some snow, and some of you folks will see as much as 3 inches of snowfall tomorrow. And then to the south, through the Appalachian Mountain Range, the Mid-South, and into the Gulf Coast, we're going to be dealing with some rain tomorrow. Thunderstorms down along the Gulf Coast through the Florida Panhandle, southern Mississippi, and Alabama as well. South Georgia might pick up some thunder, but we're going to be seeing rain for the most part. Dry weather is going to be expected across the Northeast and the Mid-Atlantic, but it's going to be quite chilly, so you might want to dress appropriate for those cold temperatures in the 30s as you head out in the morning. And in the West Coast, you're going to be seeing a nice dry day in store as well, but a little bit on the chilly side across the Pacific Northwest and the Central and Southern Rockies. The only warmth is going to be down across the southern deserts in Arizona and Southern California. So it's going to be a very blustery day across much of the West, but you will have clear skies for the most part. And then tomorrow night on your way home, that snow is going to expand across the Great Lakes and the upper Mississippi Valley. So Minnesota is going to continue with the snow, Wisconsin as well, even through Iowa, Indiana, northern Indiana, in Ohio, Michigan, and that snow is going to start to spread into Pennsylvania and upstate New York. So that rainfall is going to be moving over into the mid-Atlantic. So Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and North Florida is going to be picking up some of those rain showers tomorrow. And it's going to continue to be dry out across the West. But again, much of this is not going to be a warm day for you folks. It's going to be cool fall sunshine out there. Here's a look at some of those high temperatures for your day tomorrow. As you can look at this map here, look how cold it is. 20s across the northern Rockies, even some teens across the high plains, those 20s and 30s into the Great Lakes area. The Northeast is going to be seeing those high temperatures in the 40s tomorrow. The only warmth is going to be down there in Florida, where we're going to be seeing those mid-80s, but everybody else is going to drop off quickly into the 60s and 50s, or even along the Gulf Coast, and those 70s across the desert Southwest. That is a look at your cold Tuesday weather forecast. Mr. G, we'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.